That'll be fine, I think.
Tons of room.
Yeah, you got like a foot.
You good? Keep turning it left.
Keep turning, yeah, left.
Stay left.
Good?
Yeah. Mucho bueno.
Alright, we go.
Yeah, we should probably get out of the way. We'll just run away from you.
Fuck.
Just keep crawling.
On your left.
Just this one right here. Yeah, go this way a little. Just one right here. You should be good though.
Yep. Should I just go straight?
Yep. Turn left. Your left. You're gonna hit the wall.
Yeah, I'm trying to get around this guy.
You're good. You can go right over it.
Yeah, you'll have enough room to go over it.
Yeah, you're
Yeah,
good.
you're good.
Yeah. You're hung up on a log sticking out of the hill. Reverse a tiny bit. Now crank it this way. Okay. Straighten out. Keep.
What's going on?
Give her the gears. You're just going over that.
What's on that side?
Nothing really, just a rock. Yo, stop.
What's going on?
You're just hitting a log right here, your tire. Back up like this. Like turn your wheel. Yep. Okay, now just go over that rock there.
Watch the rock on the right here, Brendan. Stay to that side. This comes straight.
Yep.
That'll be fine.
It's just hitting your frame. A rock. Huh?
Left, right. Back up.
Back up a little. It's just hitting your slider. It's gonna hit a little bit maybe. Just go.
If you keep,
Turn that way.
yeah, if you keep left, you might be able to angle over it.
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah, I'll turn right. Straight? Yeah, you're good. Just go straight now.
Come towards us. This way. This way. You're gonna go over a rock with your wheel.
Yeah, so come.
This way. Yeah, flexed out. I can't see. Just go this way. Come.
Come towards us.
Actually, yeah. You're good? It's so hot out. You're good? You're just gonna go over some rocks. Yeah, keep going that way.
Straight?
Keep straight. It's fine. It's just the frame. It's just the frame. It's fine. Holy goodness.
There's still a frame, man?
Yeah, you're fine.
Okay. What now? Straight? Yeah, just keep going.
Turn this way. Doing good. Pretty easy here, just to that rock.
Yeah, stay left, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Stay that way a little bit. Yep. Okay, turn this way. Gonna go up this rock right here. Align your wheel here.
There? Yeah, you're good there. Let's go straight now.
That's pretty much it for hardness. Just keep coming.
What's the tightness here actually? Yeah, that's tight there for me. So. You'll fit though.
Good.
So just keep coming right, like completely straight. Don't fuck anything.
This way. Just watch your mirror.
Oh, that's tight.
We're almost through. You're good.
Yeah, you're good. You got room.
You're good. You're just on a stick. This way, this way. There's a huge log sticking out of the... Yeah. You're good from there. Whipped. Good job.